Hello everyone, it's Wyatt again with the announcements for the Hiddenite Arts and Heritage Center. Our ongoing events, our line dancing is still on Mondays from 6:30 to 9:30. All levels are welcome. It'll be $5 at the door. We also have our jam classes, learn fiddle or guitar. Those are Tuesdays from 4 to 5 p.m. You can call for availability. Our kids art classes, elementary age, are $5 and they're from 4 to 5:30 p.m. On Tuesdays at the Education Building. And we also have our upcoming events. Our Lemonade Fridays will be continuing from 2:30 to 5:30 at the Education Building at $7 for premium lemonade. All money goes to the remodel of the Lucas Mansion, which is currently going on right behind me. And our Summer on the Square concert series is coming up soon. The June 7th Dirty Grass Soul will be playing, and it'll be free just at the Square in Taylorsville. Our Wild Herbs and Foraging Workshop is coming up. That'll be Saturday, June 14th, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can call for your tickets or go online. Our Pottery Summer Camp and our Circles and Cycles Science Summer Camp are coming up. The Pottery is June 23rd to the 27th, and it's for rising first and sixth graders. And our Circles and Cycles is June 16th through the 20th, and it is also for rising first and sixth graders. So thank y'all for listening, and have a great, rest of your week.